Hi guys and welcome back to A True Talk with Tea. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, as usual, I'm gonna be sharing with you what's going on in my mind. I think काफी time से I haven't just sat in front of the camera, in front of you guys rather, and just blabbered, telling you things that are on my mind, things that are happening in my life. And I thought, you know what? Why not do it now? So here we are. Let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें चल रही हैं एक्चुअली एंड काफ़ी सेम चीज़ें भी चल रही है ऑनेस्टली if I think of it in retrospect, which is now in this video, I'm like नई चीज़ें तो है बट वही चीज़ें भी चल रही है. Work is there, I have my client calls, the customized study plans that I do, then the regular sessions that I take, consulting sessions for career consultations or CFA consultations that's going on an everyday basis. The routine of making videos in bulk is there. Then there's a gym, there's a dance, whatever जो normal चीज़ें हो रही है लाइफ में हो रहा है. But at the same time, somewhere I've started feeling a little empty. अब I don't know, ठीक है, होली के पहले मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ. अपेरेंटली होली के दिन भाई होते हैं, हो सकता है इसीलिए ये बन रहा है. बट अब ये बन रहा है, मेरे दिमाग में आ गया तो आप मुझे बताओगे. I'm feeling a little empty, particularly for my YouTube bit, right? I just feel like, is it, I want to know rather, what is it that you guys want from me? Because I feel like, of course there's love, but I feel like somewhere the engagement before, maybe, I don't know how to word this. Something feels like I want to do more for you guys, but I don't know what, because maybe I'm a little scared to pivot from anything else other than the CFA exam, because I feel like you guys will not give it any love, you guys will not give it any bhav, any attention, or फिर मैं करती नहीं हूँ. But ऐसे तो नहीं है. I want to add other layers to this channel, even for the CFA exam. I know some videos seem repetitive and some will have to be, because a CFA access scholarship, for every single attempt that will come उसके लिए एक video बनेगा. For a CFA DEFL that will come, for every single attempt that will come उसके लिए बनेगा. So certain videos have to come as per the attempts that are going on. You guys know and you guys understand it. But other than that, in the gaps, I want to know ki, what is it that you guys want to see from me? Are you guys getting bored of me? Please say no in the comment section, because today I am really overthinking this. I really feel like, maybe you guys don't want to see me and that's why you don't want me, you're not telling me what to do. I don't know. Maybe I've changed the style. Initially, I used to, put a poll every single week ki kaun se videos dekhne, and then you guys used to select and I used to shoot that. And now I think over the year particularly, I've started just selecting my own videos. Is it that you guys still want me to put a poll? What is it? Because I just feel like, yeah, to word it in the best way possible, I feel like I want to do something better. I feel like I want to, of course, keep CFA as the core of it, because that's where things started. But also, I want to help you in other aspects also. I want to be there for you in other aspects. I want to show my life to you in other aspects. But for that, I want to know कि आप लोग क्या accept करोगे? What will you accept from me? If it's other courses, then which course? And what exactly about that course? Because, even if I've made like an FRM or something else, the views compared to the other CFA related videos are obviously much less, and I understand that, it will take time to build, but you guys need to tell me, right, that okay, Tanishka, this is what we want to see from you, and then Tanishka will do as you guys say. But आप लोग बताओ तो सही, because एक अजीब सा ना मुझे ही मन में एक incomplete sense लगा, and I do not want to do that. And it's not that I will just go and randomly do brands. You guys know me very well. If I choose a brand, I am so picky, because it has to add value. This whole channel is about adding value through real life experiences. You guys know there's barely any aesthetic. It's just whatever I feel, whatever is the reality, whatever can be a good strategy or valuable. मैं बस आके यहाँ पे बक देती हूँ. That is what this channel has been about, and I want that core essence to stay, right? That's why even when I'm dealing with a brand, I literally be like, नहीं ये okay, नहीं तो ये not okay, whether whatever the money is, right? But मुझे कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा इस चैनल से रिलेटेड. तो आप थोड़ा सा मुझे गाइड करो, थोड़ी सी मेरी हेल्प करो, थोड़ी सी मुझे बताओ कि ओके तनिष्का, दिस इज़ व्हाट वी फील वी वांट टू सी फ्रॉम यू. एंड इफ यू गाइज आर सेइंग इट ना, तो थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट भी कर देना व्हेन आई मेक दैट वीडियो, बिकॉज देन आई गेट थोड़ा सा डीमोटिवेटेड. ह्यूमन नेचर, वी ऑल डू, राइट? ऑल्दो आई विल स्टिल मेक इट, बिकॉज मैं भी बहुत ढीठ इंसान हूँ, तो मैं इस चैनल को छोड़ने वाली तो नहीं हूँ. ना आप लोगों को छोड़ने वाली हूँ. आई एम लाइक दैट पर्सन कि अभी आप लोग ने मुझे पकड़ लिया तो now you're stuck with me for life because I'm not letting you guys go. But then little guidance here and there I expect from you also. You know how I guide you sometimes, you can also guide me. So please, 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 please let me know in the comment section what is it that you want to see from me. Is it maybe vlogs? Is it maybe other course related things? Is it maybe a little bit about my personal life also? I'm very happy to, you know, maybe not personal life per se, but like, you know, I do a lot of storytelling and stuff like that. Do you guys want me to do that? Is it more of the motivation bit that excites you in this channel, or is it more of the you know, information bit? Basically that's what I want to know. Motivation or information? And what ratio do you want to see? Do you want to see like 60% motivation, 40% information, vice versa, etc, etc, जो भी. Yeah, if you guys can come up with a new idea, I'm more than open for that as well. So yeah, basically वो है. इतना लंबा वीडियो खींच के ये बताने के लिए कि मुझे आप लोगों की हेल्प चाहिए. इंटरेस्टिंग. आई टोल्ड यू अपेरेंटली होली के दिन भावी होता है, सो यही हो रहा है. बाय द वे आई नो कि देर हो गई है, बट हैप्पी होली टू एवरीबडी हु सेलिब्रेटेड. आई होप यू हैड अ गुड वन. एंड क्या चल रहा है? एंड ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट फील लाइक, ये तो आप लोग जानते हो, दैट समवेयर आई फील लाइक आई एम जस्ट ड्रैगिंग माई सेल्फ डे इन डे आउट. एक अजीब सी थकान महसूस हो रही है. आई कांट इवन पुट टूवर्ड्स, मे बी शक्ल पे भी दिख रही है अभी. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. You know, some days it's just like, am I even doing the right thing? Am I doing the wrong thing? Particularly for YouTube. That's why today I just, you know, came and blurted it out. I was like, you know, आप लोग बताओ. Because on certain days, you know, you crave to see that level of success or a certain higher level of success कि यार हम रोज वीडियो डाल रहे, कभी तो कुछ तो पड़ जाए. इट्स नॉट कि मुझे प्यार नहीं मिलता. आई टेक इमेंस प्राइड, टच वुड, on the love that I've gotten in this channel and that I keep getting on this channel. But some days एक होता है ना, एक लालच टाइप आई होती है. आई थिंक वो चल रहा है मेरा. एंड आई एम लाइक, क्यों भगवान जी, वाई इज इट दैट आई कांट गेट दोज नंबर्स दैट सम अदर क्रिएटर्स गेट? एंड इट जस्ट हर्ट्स, यू नो. इट मेक्स यू स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग अ लॉट ऑफ things that you've done in life, like, you know, was this the right decision, was this the wrong decision? Not that I will ever regret it. I know it's a fleeting moment because like I said, I take immense pride in this channel, in the love that I've received in this channel. It's actually taken me out of some very dark days, so thank you. But yeah, basically अभी आपको मुझे बताना है, because ऐसे ना हो कि मैं अपने मन में ही करते हो, परमिटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं. आई वुड रादर just show you or give you what you want, because that's what I like to do in this channel. You know, you're taking away my content load. Wow, how great. So yes, यही चल रहा है लाइफ में. Other than that, my nephew is in Bombay, of course. Such a touchwood fun period, is here for some time. But एक वही है ना कि अब उसके जाने का मुझे लगेगा, एंड बड़े मजे आए. बट आई वुड ऑल्सो से काफ़ी डिस्ट्रैक्शन भी है काम से. लाइक आधा टाइम आई एम जस्ट कुछ मैं काम रह जाता है. हम लोग shit. So yeah, that's happening. बाकी तो you guys tell me in the comment section what's happening in your life. Yeah, I think I'm done with this video. मुझे basically यही help चाहिए थी आपसे, और आप मुझे ये help दोगे. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what you want to see from me. And ये वीडियो को प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा engage कर देना, लाइक कमेंट शेयर, एंड जितने भी लोग हैं आपके आसपास उनसे सब्सक्राइब करा दो, बिकॉज आज ना मुझे लालच आई हुई है. आई वॉन्ट सब्सक्राइबर्स. सो यू गाइस विल गो सब्सक्राइब. बाजू वाले का फोन लेके सब्सक्राइब सब करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू. आई लव यू. आई एम जोकिंग, बट आई लव यू guys. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.